comfortable and not that nervous, that the driver feels comfortable in the car and that you can drive that kind of speed without any risk.